Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier to fix Acuity Scheduling, inviting clients to appointments. This is incredibly useful if you want your clients to automatically receive calendar invitations whenever they book through Acuity, ensuring they have all the appointment details saved directly in their calendar. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to set up this automation, as this will be managing the connection between Acuity and your calendar system. After logging in, you'll see your Zapier dashboard. Look for the Zap button and click on it. This will start the process of creating your new automation. The Zap is essentially the workflow that connects your two apps together. Next, click on the Trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, so we need to tell Zapier what event should kick things off. In the search bar, type in Acuity Scheduling and select it as your trigger app. This tells Zapier to watch for activity in your Acuity account. Now click on the Trigger Event button from the drop-down menu that appears, select New Appointment. This means every time someone books a new appointment through Acuity, your Zap will spring into action. You'll then need to connect your Acuity Scheduling account by following the authorization prompts. Once connected, click Test Trigger to pull a sample appointment from your Acuity account. This step is important because it gives Zapier real data to work with when setting up the rest of your automation. Give it a moment to retrieve the information from Acuity. After the test is successful, click the Action button. This is where you'll define what happens after the trigger fires. Search for and select Google Calendar from the list of available apps. This is the service that will send the calendar invitation to your client. From the drop-down menu, choose Create Detailed Event as your action event. This option gives you the most control over the calendar invitation details. Now click Sign In and authorize Zapier to access your Google Calendar. This permission is necessary for Zapier to create events on your behalf. Here's where the magic happens. You'll now map fields for the attendee invitation. In the action setup, you need to connect information from Acuity to the calendar event. For subject, use the appointment title from Acuity. For start and end time, map the appointment's start and end times. In the description field, you can add client details or notes. For guests or attendees, this is crucial. Add the client email from Acuity. This ensures the client receives the invitation. If required, set yourself as the organizer. Make absolutely sure the client's email from Acuity is included in the attendees field, as this is what triggers the invitation to be sent. Now click Test and Review or Test and Continue to verify everything is set up correctly. Zapier will create a test event with the client invited. Review the test to make sure all the details are accurate and the client email appears in the attendees list. If everything looks correct, click Turn on Zap to enable the automation. From now on, whenever a client books through Acuity, they'll automatically receive a calendar invitation with all the appointment details. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.